Assalamu alaikum and hi viewers, this is Sajjad Hussain and you are watching my YouTube channel. Welcome to this next episode on Paradise Lost by John Milton. Viewers, today's video is going to be very tricky because some technical terms are involved and these techniques and these literary terms have been employed by John Milton in his grand epic, and it is because of these terms and it is because of these techniques that his style is said to be a grand style and his language is called Miltonic language. So let's move on to discuss the three terms or techniques that have been employed by John Milton in his poem. Now, the first is blank verse. Blank verse is a form of poetry which is unrhymed, which means that there is no rhyme scheme in this type of poetry, and there is use of regular meter in blank verse. Iambic pentameter is used. Now, what is iambic pentameter? Iambic pentameter means that in one line there are 5 feet consisting of 10 syllables, and 5 of these syllables are unstressed, followed by 5 stressed syllables. For example, look at this first line: of man's first disobedience and the fruit. Now, if you look at the stress pattern, this is unstressed, this is stressed, unstressed, stressed, unstressed, stressed, unstressed, stressed, unstressed, and stressed. If you look at this line overall, there are 5 unstressed and 5 stressed syllables. And if you want to give them sound, you can say ta du ta du ta du ta du. This is how the stress varies. Same is the case in the second line: unstressed, stressed, unstressed, stressed, unstressed, stressed, unstressed, stressed, unstressed. Unstressed is a syllable in which you don't have to put out an extra force and you don't emphasize, and there is no intonation or it is not intonated. So this is what makes it blank verse. The entire epic Paradise Lost is in the form of blank verse, and this blank verse is not a new form of poetry. In fact, Marlowe and Shakespeare had written in this blank verse, and Milton also experimented with it. I hope this is clear. Now, the second term or the second technique that we have to discuss in Paradise Lost is transferred epithet. Now, literally, epithet is adjective. And I hope all of you know what is an adjective. Adjective is a word that qualifies a noun or it adds to the meaning of a noun. Now, what is transferred epithet? I have written down 2 examples from the poem here. One is Adventurous Song. This is there in the first 26 lines, and this is there when Milton seeks invocation of muse, and he invokes that muse and he seeks help from the muse. Adventurous song is a phrase that he has used for his epic. Now, song is noun and this adventurous is adjective. Now, song cannot be adventurous. In fact, the person who is singing that song is adventurous. This means that this adjective, this epithet adventurous has shifted from the singer to the song. That's why it is transferred epithet. Now come to this happy fields. Now this is in one of the speeches by Saturn when he bids farewell to happy fields, and these happy fields are the fields of paradise, the fields of heaven. So fields are not happy. This is noun, this is adjective. Fields are not happy. Those who live there, they are happy. So adjective or epithet has transferred from the inmates of these happy fields to the fields. That's why it is a transferred epithet. I hope these two examples are enough to illustrate this, to elaborate this. Now let's come to the next topic that is there. It's Homeric simile, or it is also called epic simile, or it has been extensively used by Milton, so it is also called Miltonic simile. Now, Homeric simile or epic simile, it is an extended form of simile, and there is a detailed comparison. In fact, the comparison goes to such an extent that even an essay can be written on it and can be elaborated to a different number of paragraphs. For example, the spear that Saturn is carrying in his hands is compared to the tallest tree that is cut, tallest pine tree that is cut on the Norwegian hills. When this tree is cut and put into a lumber, it is used as a staff of some great ship. But the spear that Saturn was carrying in his hands was so big and was so huge and was so gigantic that the mast of the ship that was made from the tallest pine tree on the Norwegian hills was but a van, but a stick in comparison with the spear that Saturn carried in his hands. I hope this simile is clear. This is an elaborate simile. This is an extended simile, and there are so many examples of such similes in Paradise Lost. Viewers, I hope today's discussion on these literary technical aspects of Paradise Lost would have benefited you. I think this is all for today. Keep watching, keep following. Thank you very much.